Hello there, fellow card sharps. It's time to get our bluffing skills up to scratch. So buckle up and let's dive into the exciting world of bluffing. Alright folks, it's your mate Ed from CasinoHawks.com. So listen up. Bluffing is a vital strategy in poker, but knowing when and where to use it can make all the difference. Late positions, like being on the button, are usually the prime times to pull off a successful bluff. Keep an eye out for those telltale signs that your opponents may be vulnerable, like aggressive betting or visible nervousness. And if no one is making a move, try betting on the flop and continuing the act on the turn to make it seem like you've got a monster hand. This can intimidate your opponents and potentially score you a win without ever having to show your cards. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to bluff like a pro. Let's talk about bet sizing, shall we? When deciding on your bet size, consider the number of potential callers and their playing style. If you're only up against one opponent, a bet of around half the pot should suffice. However, if you're facing multiple opponents, you may need to increase your bet size to 2/3 or even the full pot to assert dominance. In such scenarios, going all in or making a pot-sized bet may be the best approach. It demonstrates that you're serious about the hand, but it also minimizes the risk of losing everything on a single hand.
Oh, good. Let's talk about money.
Fancy getting clued up on some top-notch poker tips and tricks? Check out our smashing website, CasinoHawks.com. Link down below. Alright, let's take a breather and assess the situation we're facing here. We've got ourselves a newbie at the table, and it's time to read their hand like a book and figure out how they play based on their past moves. After that, it's time to size up our own hands and decide if we've got the goods to keep on playing. We should also weigh the odds of our opponent trying to bluff us and think about the potential risk and rewards of staying in the game. Bluffing in poker is all about confidence. Make your opponents doubt their cards and believe you have a strongest hand. Watch your body language and read your opponent's signals. Time your reveal for maximum impact. But remember, bluffing is high risk. If unsure, fold. As Kenny Rogers once said,
know when to fold up.
Channel your inner 007 and become a poker champ with practice and confidence. This has been Ed. Just remember, play smart, play fair, and most importantly, enjoy the game. Best of luck, and until next time.